Good morning, everyone. Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and you're looking at my chart over the past few days of the S&P E-mini futures market. And here we are just at the beginning of Thursday, February 27th. The prices are coming in just at the upper end of the Taylor trading zone. Now, if you look back at the past 4 days, let me get my chart a little more centered here. At the past 4 days, what do you see? Well, what's perfectly obvious in this chart is that on every single day, the market has hit the previous day's close, which is equilibrium. Right over here on February 21st on Friday, here on February 24th on Monday, on February 25th on Tuesday, on February 26th Wednesday, and here we are, February 27th Thursday. The market is about an hour and a half, 2 hours from the open. And so will the market hit the previous day's close right here at 59.70. Now this is the S&P, not the S&P E-mini. I just want to point the fact out to you. So when you're looking at trading, you can look at what trades work out. And as I say, of the 6 trades, gap, support and resistance, trend, time and price, momentum, and candlestick, GST-TMC. The gap trade is the trade that most traders should know if they know no other trade, the gap trade. So nevertheless, this is Thursday, February 27th. Let's look at the individual chart, at the big picture rather. This is the S&P. This is not the S&P E-mini, this is the S&P. And just to give you a frame of reference, right here where my cursor is, this was the presidential election, November 5th, this candle. And when Donald Trump was elected, the next day the market opened, gap up. That gap has since been closed over here on January 13th. Nevertheless, here we are. The market has taken a beating over the last several days, and this is, to me, looks like a time and price trade, okay? Time and price trade. That's where the market moves in a certain direction, stabilizes, and moves in the same direction for the same amount of time. And if that were to happen, and I drew a vertical line over here just as a reference to the distance that the market has dropped, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to move it to the equilibrium right over here. I'm going to begin where the first candle ends, and if the time and price trade were to hold, the market will reach a level down here at 57.96, 5800. So that is where the time and price trade would put the S&P, and of course the futures would go there as well. So, and that would basically wipe out any gains from the election. So we'll see what happens. This is just a way of analyzing the market. I'm not suggesting that the market is going to drop, but nevertheless, time and price trade works across all time frames, all markets. So that's my video for today. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Again, here's the Thursday open. I'm going to give this a little more room so you can see it a little better. Here's my trading zone, okay? Resistance at 6,007, support at 59.25. So there we go. So about 75, 83 points, 82 points for the day. So that's it. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.